Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to verify your Google Pay accounts. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to open the Google Pay. So what you want to do is to open the Google Pay app on your Android device, and then you want to tap on the three horizontal lines or the more button. And then the second step is to go to settings. So you want to go to select settings or account settings, and then you want to scroll down to the account or security section, and then of course you got to verify the account. So what you want to do is to tap on the verify account or account verification, and then just follow the prompts to verify your account. Now, the verification methods, there are three methods for this. The first is SMS verification. So Google Pay was going to send you a verification code to your registered phone number, and you just want to enter the code to verify your account. The second is the email verification. So the Google Pay is going to send you a verification email to your registered email address, and you just want to click that verification link to verify your account. And of course you can do that through bank account verification as well. So Google Pay may require you to verify your bank account by logging into your online banking or by entering a verification code sent by your bank. So those are the three methods for verification, and there are some additional verification steps. Of course, the first is the identity verification. So you could have Google Pay might require you to verify your identity by uploading a government issued ID card, or by answering some security questions. Also, you have address verification. So Google Pay may require you to verify your address by uploading a utility bill, or also by answering some security questions. Now, I got a couple of tips and reminders for you guys here. The first, of course, is to ensure that your account information is up to date. So you want to make sure that you verify that your account information, which includes your name, your address, and phone number, of course, you want to make sure that all of that is accurate and up to date. The second, of course, is to make sure you use a secure internet connection. So you always want to make sure that you verify that your account uses a secure internet connection to protect your personal and financial information. So the last, of course, is to contact Google Pay support if you encounter any issues. So you want to make sure that you reach out to Google Pay support if you encounter any issues during the verification process. You can just contact them. They're going to help you to sort that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, share the video with your friends, comment down below, let me know what you thought, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because I have said a lot. And of course, please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.